Bid management is managing a team of people to provide a comprehensive and clear bid, which is the document you send to the client explaining why they should choose you to build the project. So an example of this would be when I worked on a youth centre in Knowsley, and we got a pot of money, and it was to develop a youth centre, working with the young people in the area to listen to them, develop the design, build it, and hand it over for the young people to run. This is probably one of my most exciting projects to work on. It was challenging. It was a very different client to what we're used to, because we were talking to young people, so we had to make sure that it was clear what they were signing up to. We had to make sure it was clear and they understood why there were certain things that we couldn't put into the project. So they had gone round and asked, if there was a youth centre, what do you want in it? And we had such a humongous list. It was impossible to fit it all into a youth centre. So what we did is we made a pie chart. We had each segment which represented the cost of each thing that was on the list that the young people had decided they wanted. And then from there, they had to fill the pie chart. So it was using the money, but making a decision. If they chose a recording studio, that would limit how much money they had left in the pot. So they could choose a recording studio, or they could have chosen like a pool table and air hockey and something else. So they were making the decisions on what was most important, what was repeated most to them when they were going and asking around and finding out what people wanted. It's a fabulous space. The whole reason why the council have set up the youth centre was to reduce the young people on the streets and bringing them into a community feel, a safe environment. From a bid management point of view, you would come up with a programme on the length of time it would to construct and build the project. The estimators would come up with the budget and how much it's going to cost. The designers would design the building, but linked very closely with the engineers and cost managers and planners to make sure that they come up with the most robust, most practical way of building, but also looking beautiful and a really nice space to enjoy. And then you have the marketing team who are all about the design and presentation of the submission to make a comprehensive document for that client, and hopefully at the end you win the project. If a client's looking at the submission, all the key things that we think are unique selling points would be highlighted and very clear for the client to see. It's all about the added benefit you can give, especially on large scale projects such as HS2, the new rail link between London and Manchester, building a new school, an office block, a new road. It's all about adding benefit to the community that you're working in. It's about what you can offer to them to help assist the new school, for example, to be integrated in the community, for the community to get behind the new school and clearly understand the reasons why the school is being built, and also the benefits to the community for that. A new road would be exactly the same. There's a new road that's just been built near us, and the day before it opened to traffic, they had a massive community event which was trying to get people active. It was getting people to cycle the whole length of the new road, doing a run as well. They had community stalls and then also meeting the team that's built it.